baker. We're gonna make pizza in my very quick pizza oven. This is a real-time video. There's no edits on the cooking time at all, so you can see that it's very fast to make a pizza in my little propane oven. It goes in for a few seconds, usually around 20 or 30 seconds for the first time, and then I take my little fork and turn it. I use the fork because I don't like burning my hands. And then it goes back in for somewhere between 10 and 20 seconds. And then back out again for another turn. I like my pizza really well done, so this is going to take longer than it would take for most people to cook their pizzas in this oven. When you do this, you turn the pizza on, the oven on high, and let it go until it's hot. Then I turn it down until it no longer sounds like a jet. So the stone is good and hot, but the air coming over isn't 800 or 900 degrees anymore. Then, as you can see, I just keep turning it, and I like my pizza well done, as I said, so it goes back in for more, but many people would consider it done at this point. You can see the pepperoni's all curled up, cheese is all melted, the crust is getting crispy around the edges, and it's going back in. And this is just because I'm fussy about having really well done pizza. I don't buy pizza at the pizza shops much because it's never crispy enough. And then we're going back in, turn it one more time, and back in the oven. And then it's going to be done very soon. There it is. Look how pretty that pizza is. We use a pre-made pizza crust, which is already at least partially cooked, so it really doesn't take long to make these pizzas.